We are pleased to show you the 2020 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Experience the exhilaration of freedom